And I'm just going to click on the drop down and show the contacts page. So get in touch. That's looking good. I'm going to replace some of the text here. You can put in your phone number there. I'm going to take that out. I'll put in his email. So it's johntoby@johntoby.com. Then for the address line, and this is blocking. So this is blocking us from editing the address. So what you can do is come over to structure here, click on a structure, and I'll click on that icon box. So if anything is blocking your view here, you can come over to structure and select what you want to edit from there. So that's a nice way to go about it. So I'll just put in Abuja, Nigeria here. And we have a nice contact form here. So if you want to set up a custom contact form, and for example, the template you installed from Astra did not have a form, what you can do is come over to Forminator. We installed Forminator previously. It's down here. And go to forms. So you can use Forminator for a lot of things: forms, quizzes, polls, and lots of other good stuff. So I'll add a new form and we'll choose from one of the presets here. So let's choose a contact form and let's create that form. So first name, email, I'm going to delete phone number, put in message. So let's put in, this looks good, submit. Then you can go to appearance, select how you want your form to look like. Then behavior, this is the message after the person submits the form. And you can enable honeypot protection to disable bots from submitting info into your form. And email notifications, it will be sent to this email. So I'll change it to John Toby. Then I think that's pretty much everything. You can connect this to MailerLite, MailChimp, MailPoet to send emails to that service, and I'll publish this. So once you have this published, you can copy this short code, go to Elementor. So let's create a new element here. I'm just going to create one here to show you how this works. Create a flex box. Then I'm going to put in short code. So search for short code there, and I'll put this in. So we have our form here. So you can style this within Elementor. So if I change the appearance, let's change this to flat. And you can do some custom CSS here. Let's publish the changes and let's publish this and reload this. You should see the form change right here. So yeah, so we have a nice form here. So let's test this. I'll submit this. And thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch shortly. So let's check his email. And let's see if we got that message. So there you go. A message from Osiris. And we have the message right there. So that's how to set up a form. So everything I set up in Forminator here, you can also set up in WP Forms. All you need to do is go to WP Forms. And you can see the newsletter sign up form, which is the one we have on the homepage here. And you can see the second form, the simple contact form, and you can edit that and set up everything we set up in Elementor. So Forminator is a great form plugin. WP Forms is a great forms plugin. You can use anyone you want to, and you have all the options to set up everything you need to set up for free. And let's try this one out. Let me see where this one is going to. Settings. Let's enable spam protection. We'll put in a custom email here. Let's save this. You can edit all these other details here. Then let's try out this form. Let's reload the page. Let's publish, then reload, then try out the WP forms. Let's go to the website on a new page. Go to contact. We have all its details here. Let's try this out. And let's send. It seems this element is blocking the form. I'm just going to delete this. Let's publish. Everything looks good. I'll reload. Now we can click on that. Now let's send this. And we have the form message there. So let's check his email. Let's reload this. And we have the notification right there. So you can use WP Forms. You can use Forminator. Anyone works. And you can customize them to your taste or to your preference. So we've been able to create the home page. If you click on the logo, that takes you to the home page as well. And we've been able to create the contacts page. So this is looking great.